way back to 1965. A big hit for the Yardbirds, this one. This is called A Heart Full of Soul. I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. If you're ready, go grab a guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Heart Full of Soul. Let me show you how it's done. So first off, the chords we're going to need are D minor, G, B flat. If you can do B flat as a bar chord, you know, whack the old first finger on there, you get all 6 strings. If not, you only get 4, D, G, B and the E string, all right? And then we've got D minor, back to D minor again. So D minor, G, B flat, D minor. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, the strum pattern we're going to need for the verse is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Goes like this, 2, 3, 4, D minor, G, B flat, D minor, D minor, G, B flat, D minor, and again, D minor, G, B flat, D minor. One last time, D minor, G, B flat, and then down, down on the D minor, down, down. That brings the verse to the end. Now we're on to the chorus and a change of strum pattern. We've got down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. It's really quick. But on the record, it's obviously quicker than that. It's a proper gallop. It's... So that is going to maybe need some practice if you're doing that for the first time. So yeah, D minor on the chorus, D minor. I know F, she, F to G, and then D minor, and then B flat and C and D minor. So that's the most of the chorus, because then we've got I got a heart, which is A, and then G, heart full of soul, D minor, and then that's when that lick comes in. Yeah? So D minor, first off. So 2, 3, 4. D minor, F, G, D minor, B flat, C, and D minor, and then A, and then G, and then D, ba, ba, do, da, 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 da. That's the chorus. Let's do that one more time, and then I'll show you how to play the lick, the riff. Okay, first off, chorus, 2, 3, 4. And I know F, G, and D minor, B flat, C, D minor, A, and then G, back to D minor. Right, so as promised, the riff. We're going to be up on the 7th fret of the G string, and we're going to bend it up. Sorry, no we're not. Don't be silly, we're going to play it twice. There we go. And then we're going to play G string, 5th fret, and then back to the 7th fret again. So we've got, okay, so twice. That's what we've done. So twice, once on the 5th, and then once on the 7th, and then we're going to bend up to that note, which is an E. So bend it up until you reach the E sound, that sound, and then let it down. So that's back to the 7th again, and then we've got 5, 7, 5. So let's do that again. So twice on the 7th fret, and then once on the 5th, and then once on the 7th. Then we're going to bend it up. Then we're going to let it down again on the 7th, and then 5, 7, 5. All together. So that's how that's going to sound for the riff. Now let me show you the guitar solo. So after you've done the bit that goes, that's the riff, as you know. Now we've got the guitar solo. Right, now the guitar solo goes. Like that. So let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're up on the 10th fret, 10th position, and what we're going to do, actually let me bring the camera a little bit closer so you can really get into what I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. So that's twice on the 12th fret of the D string, once on the 10th fret of the G string, once on the 12th fret of the G string, back to the 10th on the G string, and then once on the 12th fret of the D string. So we go. Now, that note we had on the 10th fret of the G, slight little bend on that just to make it a bit more interesting. Hear that? Rather than just, which would be a bit plain, we want. Right, then we got, which is just a pentatonic. So that's twice on the D, once on the 10th fret of the G, 12th fret G, and then 10 on the B, 13 on the B, 10 on the E. So all of that together is. Okay, then we're going to go back and start over. So it's the same first bit. And then it changes slightly. We've got, which is a hammer-on from the 10th to the 12th on the D. And then we've got twice on the 10th of the G string. And then we're going to go 12th to the 10th. So we got. See how that worked? And then we're going to bend up on the 12th fret of the G. Until we've reached the note of A. That's an A. We're going to bend that note up to the note of A. Try not to overshoot it. And another thing I'm doing, I'm keeping my second finger underneath, and what I'm stopping that from going crazy. I'm just touching it, just to dampen it a little bit. So what happened? I've got my finger touching it, so it doesn't ring out for longer than I need it to. So then we got, and then keeps it nice and short, yeah? So, and then we've got the double. So we've got the hammer on from the 10th to the 12th on the D. Then the 10th fret on the G, twice, 12th on the G, back to the 10th, and then the bend up. Okay, so that's the guitar solo for Heart Full of Soul. Now let's just have a quick playthrough of the verse and the chorus together, and yeah, I'll leave you to go practice that one. Right, here we go. So first off, let's go back to the verse. 2, 3, 4. G, B flat, D minor, D minor, then to G, B flat, D minor, D minor, G, B flat, D minor, D minor, G, B flat, and then to D minor, 2, 3. So it's D minor, F, G, D minor, B flat, C, D minor, and then to A, G, and then to D minor, and then just quickly recap on that riff, which was. So there we have it, A Heart Full of Soul by the great Yardbirds. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have that you'd like me to show you how to play in a forthcoming video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour? Click the like and subscribe button. It helps me grow the channel, which helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, I will see you back in the next video. You take great care of yourselves. See you then. Take care. Bye-bye.